Okay.
Monday.
The worst forms are, I mean, the worst part about these forms is doing. Yep. No. Yep.
Okay. You do need to get that straight right there. Actually, you always want to stake to that stake over there, that second one over. Whoops, I got too much out. Good?
No. I'll be good when you.
Good now?
Yep.
Okay. And the stake is going to be on the east side.
Yep.
Like it?
Yep.
Okay. You can stretch
I
that.
can stretch it when you're ready. You just hold that for a second.
Top of the rebars.
Yeah, that'll catch you right up.
Yep. Don't go all the way to that other stake.
Oh.
Because I need a mark all the way to the other foot. You know what I'm saying?
What side of the stake are we on? This side? Oh, did I lose you?
Yeah, one flip it. You give us one.
Okay.
Good. And when you like it.
Good.
And when you like it.
I like it.
Like it?
Yep. Pleasure. Okay. You just want to be up just a little bit on the concrete. I'll push it and knock it in.
Knock it in right now.
Like this.
Yep.
More.
Okay. Right on, Baden. Okay. You can see it. Okay. You like it?
Okay.
Baden, you're going to have to hold that string up. Make sure that string stays on the arrow. You can leave that.
Okay, it's supposed to go right there. Just put your thumb right here. I'll hold you where you need to be, right there. Okay, just don't wiggle for a second.
I want to flip it.
Okay. All right. Yep. Yep. Which one is it? Your mark coming this way, right? Yep. Oh, do we need to put a string up first?
No.
Oh.
I should be right here. You like it? You tell me when you're good. Okay. So 56.8. Okay. Right there. Good. Okay, we're going to just stretch this and chalk it.
Okay.
When you're good.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good idea. Okay, just hold it tight for a sec. Okay. Oh boy. 1 minute. Come on. Okay. Oh, here. You floating a little, or do you need to go up it? He's got it on your side. Which side do you want? Outside? You can go the outside. Just match him.
Go ahead. You're on the foot. Tell me when you like it.
So which one's this? One.
So there is a zoo in London that held a birthday party for
Making it a little big for the
This is
diagonal.
Eagle 94.5. My name's McCall Taylor. Included a cake made of grass and watermelon, which feels like...
Okay, check it. Whoop, stay there.
100% done.
Okay. You see that arrow, okay? Okay, good, right there.
One
Okay.
foot over there, so we go 41.
Okay, you swing over, let go of the tip.
Okay. 1 foot.
Tell me when you like it.
51 touches. That's your mark.
Okay. That's it.
Think so?
Yeah, you got it straight.
That's it. Okay. One sec. Good. Good.
Vintage carpet and furniture in your current location. Whatever real life is to you, we get it, and we're here to help. We've been providing the best loans for real life since 1957.
Okay.
State Bank of Southern Utah. We're a member of the FDIC. We're an equal housing lender, and we're here when real life happens. Visit fdcu.com.
Okay. Yep.
Air conditioning services. How do you choose the right contractor? Well, how about a proven team like the Bryant Professionals of Hills Heating and Air, who will do whatever it takes to keep you comfortable. With Hills' proven track record and friendly team of experts, you can rest assured that whether it's a new Bryant Heating and Air system, upgrades, or service work, Hills will take care of your home. We get them right on time.
Tell me when you're there.
Good.
Hey, babe, pull the string over just for a sec. Hold it. Just right in my wrist. Okay. Tell me when you're good.
Good.
Okay. Now you're good.
Mm.
You good, baby? Yep.
We're good.
We certainly weren't off too far with our lines.
Nice.
We're a little bit over, right?
Barely. Oh,
A little bit if you need to.
too far. Well, actually, that way is set again. Oh. Okay.
Sure.
Let me double check. Yeah.
Okay. Coming on. Like it?
Yep.
Like it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go down one, mate. Go down to his. See where he's at?
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Pull it diagonal on that real quick.
Okay. Where's our big tape at? Oh. Here, babe, if you hold that right there. I'm going to capture this one too, make sure. Just like that we did last time. 1 foot. Checking diagonal. Yep. Should be the exact same. So we're on the other side.
45 3 hair.
You can get it.
You there?
So how far off is it?
About a 1600 wide. Over time.
Oh, oh.
Okay, go to that intersection.
They should be the same. 1 foot.
You might check that again. I'm an 8. 45 2 and a 7/8. Okay, let's check it one more time, babe. About a 64, that's all. So,
That had me laughing.
What?
The other day, immediately got the
He's
sticker.
such a, you think he's a metalhead. He's so funny with that, I don't know why. But he turns into like a total metalhead, goofball.
right there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Like it. That's the only thing Lindsay's mad about still. I wasn't 2 feet big enough. The kitchen table doesn't fit! I like it. Well, too, because our concrete could be off a tad.
Give a re-square.
We will. Okay.
You like it?
No. Yes.
Fairgrounds on Thursday. Friday. Yeah, that's the date. Anyway, it's $500 for a grand shooting team. Call to get more info. 435-896.
When you spray it, keeps this top side right here cleaned out so you don't get all clogged up every time when you go to use it, you know, in a few days or so. Or if it's just longer than a few hours, it'll keep it from clogging. Okay. Let me hit again. Hit. One more. Okay. Good. The fridge and stuff out there probably. Ready? Yep. I'm not. Right there.